What if there was a proven formula that could dramatically increase your business's profitability and transform your product's market appeal? Today, we're uncovering a powerful equation that has helped businesses skyrocket their revenue by optimizing product value and desirability. In this video, we will reveal the secrets of creating and selling high-value products efficiently. Miss out on this and you could be leaving a fortune on the table, continuing to struggle with slow sales and low profitability. Stay tuned to unlock the full potential of your offerings and ensure your business thrives in any market. Unlock the secret formula. What truly defines product value? Value in a product or service isn't just about the quality or features offered. It's about the desirability and utility to the consumer. To create a more valuable product, one must consider enhancing its appeal for standout success. But how? 5 power moves to skyrocket your product's appeal. Scarcity. Creating a sense of scarcity can dramatically increase a product's allure. Limited edition products or limited time offers compel consumers to act quickly to avoid missing out. For instance, Apple often releases a limited quantity of new products at launch, which not only creates buzz, but also makes the product more desirable. Urgency. Similar to scarcity, adding urgency can accelerate consumer decision-making processes. Countdown timers or limited time sales events like Amazon's Lightning deals encourage consumers to purchase sooner rather than later to take advantage of the special conditions. Bonuses. Offering additional value through bonuses can differentiate your product from competitors. For example, a software company might include free templates or exclusive content as a bonus for early adopters, adding perceived value and incentivizing purchases. Guarantees. Strong guarantees reduce perceived risks for consumers and can significantly enhance the attractiveness of your offer. A money-back guarantee, for instance, reassures customers that they can trust your product to meet their expectations, as seen with companies like Zappos, which offers a 365-day return policy. Compelling naming. The way a product is named can deeply impact its market reception. A name that resonates with the target audience can enhance the product's appeal. For example, the use of vivid and aspirational names in the automobile industry, such as the Ford Explorer or Mustang, evokes a sense of adventure and freedom that aligns with consumer desires for more than just transportation. The 4 pillars of irresistible offers. The process of value creation can be broken down into 4 key variables. Dream outcome. What is the ultimate benefit or result that your product promises? This should be something highly desired by your target market. Perceived likelihood of achievement. How confident are potential customers that they will achieve the promised outcome by using your product? Time delay. The duration between purchasing the product and realizing its benefits. Effort and sacrifice. What must customers do or give up to use the product? An example of effective application of these principles can be seen in the weight loss industry. Consider the difference in perceived value between a $50,000 liposuction surgery and a 5-live ebook promising weight loss. Although both may promise the same outcome, the surgery offers a quicker, more guaranteed result. Thus, it can command a higher price despite the higher effort and sacrifice involved. Zero to hero. How to speed up customer satisfaction. The key to competitive advantage in any market is reducing the time to deliver value, TTV. Businesses that can provide immediate benefits post-purchase typically see higher customer satisfaction and loyalty. For instance, software companies that offer instant access to their products upon purchase, like Microsoft's Office Suite, significantly enhance customer satisfaction by providing immediate utility. Effort versus outcome, minimizing input while maximizing gains. Reducing the customer's effort and maximizing the outcomes from a purchase can drastically enhance the product's value. This involves streamlining the user experience to remove any unnecessary steps or efforts. A prime example is the transition from Blockbuster to Netflix. Netflix revolutionized movie rentals by eliminating the need to physically rent or return movies, thereby simplifying the process and reducing effort for the user. Guarantee Gold: How to craft promises that sell. Guarantees can significantly reduce the perceived risk associated with a purchase, making a product more appealing. They transfer some of the purchase risks from the buyer back to the seller, enhancing trust. There are several types of guarantees, such as unconditional, conditional, and implied guarantees. Each type serves to assure customers in different ways, depending on the nature of the product or service. For example, a marketing firm might offer a conditional guarantee that if certain results are not achieved within a specified time frame, the service will be extended without additional cost. As we wrap up our discussion on the transformative power of enhancing product value, remember that these strategies are just the beginning. If you're intrigued about crafting a lifestyle of financial freedom through smart business moves, don't stop here. Make sure to watch our next video, which dives deeper into innovative methods to boost your business success and the unexpected opportunities that might arise along the way. Each step you take can lead to significant financial breakthroughs, so keep learning, keep applying, and watch your business thrive.